Hi, my name is Marisa Amon, principal here at St. Pius X School.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Spino.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Burgos, and I'm the preschool director here at St. Pius X School.
Hello.
We are the Siddons family.
And together,
we are St. Pius X.
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 Catholic schools are a vital part of the teaching mission of the Church. We must respond to challenging times with faith, vision, and the will to succeed because the Catholic schools' mission is vital to the future of our young people, our nation, and especially our Church.
What makes St. Pius so safe for us and our children is not just the physical campus with the fencing all around it and the secure gates where you have to buzz it to get in campus and then visitors register in the office, but it's a sense of people here as well, that the faculty and the staff all know the families, they all know the kids. They would immediately recognize if somebody was on campus who didn't belong and be able to address it. And likewise, that goes to the students as well. Oftentimes you'll see the older students looking out for the younger ones, and there's just a very safe, secure sense here. There's never been a day when I've dropped my daughter off that I didn't feel 100% safe that she was going to be fine on campus.
Here at St. Pius X Preschool, we pride ourselves on being the start of your child's academic career. We also pride ourselves in helping start their spiritual journey in God's love and faith. Together with the teachers, we are here to support and provide a loving foundation with a nurturing environment to help your child on the path for success spiritually and academically.
This year, with these trying times, we have made our campus as safe as possible. Every student has a plexiglass shield on their desk, our students and teachers wear their masks, and students are able to choose to either learn here at our school campus or at home via distance learning. Together we walk on this journey with Christ. Please join us at St. Pius X School. Enrollment begins in February. Thank you and God bless.